Hey there, are you tired of the same old meal routine and looking for a way to spice up your cooking game? Well, this week I'm here to share why you should eat HelloFresh and how it can transform your meals, save you time, and make your life easier. Also, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh yet, you can use my link down below to sign up and get a free box of meals. So let's look at reason number one why you should use HelloFresh. So firstly, convenience at your fingertips. First off, let's talk about convenience. One of the biggest reasons why you should eat HelloFresh is how it makes meal planning a breeze. With HelloFresh, you no longer have to worry about those last-minute grocery store runs or standing in crowded aisles trying to figure out what to cook after a long, tiring day. Imagine this. Everything you need for a delicious meal arrives right at your doorstep, pre-portioned and ready to go. It's like having your own personal sous chef who does all the hard prep work for you. HelloFresh offers a variety of meal plans that cater to different dietary needs, from vegetarian to family-friendly options. So you'll always have something that suits your tastes and preferences. Whether you're looking to eat low-calorie meals, stick to a keto diet, or just enjoy a good balanced dinner, HelloFresh has got you covered. And the best part? You don't have to spend hours in the kitchen. Most HelloFresh meals are designed to be quick and easy, with recipes that take around 30 minutes or less to prepare. This means you can spend more time relaxing or doing what you love instead of slaving over a stove. HelloFresh also offers a super friendly app, allowing you to manage your weekly menus right from your phone. Need to skip a week? No problem. Want to swap out a meal or add an extra serving? You can do that too. Plus, the app even lets you adjust your preferences as your tastes or dietary needs change over time. HelloFresh truly makes it easy for you to enjoy fresh, home-cooked meals without the hassle. The convenience factor alone is unbeatable, and it's one of the biggest reasons why you should eat HelloFresh and bring it into your meal routine. The second reason you should look at HelloFresh is the quality ingredients that they use that you can trust. Next up, let's discuss this quality of ingredients. Now, this is a major reason why you should use HelloFresh. The ingredients are fresh, high quality in every box, so you can rest assured that your meals are made with the best produce, meats and seafood. They partner with trusted suppliers and local farmers who adhere to strict standards for quality and sustainability. This means that each meal is not only delicious, but also packed with the nutrients your body needs. Every ingredient you receive is thoughtfully sourced, from the juicy tomatoes and crisp greens to tender chicken and fresh seafood. You'll notice the difference right away in the taste and freshness of each dish. The ingredients come pre-measured, which saves you the hassle of figuring out portion sizes and ensures that you're eating balanced meals without any guesswork. Plus, by getting exactly what you need for each recipe, you're helping to cut down on food waste, a win for both your wallet and the environment. HelloFresh's commitment to quality extends to their avoidance of artificial preservatives. Each meal is full of natural flavors, so you're getting real, wholesome food that's not only good for you, but also tastes amazing. The satisfaction of cooking with fresh, high-quality ingredients is one of the key reasons why you should eat HelloFresh. You can feel confident about what you're putting on the table, knowing that HelloFresh brings the farmer's market to your doorstep with every box. It's a delicious and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of fresh ingredients without the hassle of sourcing them yourself. So thirdly, another fantastic aspect of why you should eat HelloFresh is the incredible variety of recipes they offer. If you're someone who gets bored with eating the same dishes week after week, HelloFresh is the perfect solution. They have a rotating menu that features recipes inspired by global cuisines, from rich Italian pasta dishes to vibrant Mexican tacos, and even Asian-inspired stir-fries that pack a punch of flavour. With HelloFresh, you'll always have something new and exciting to try, which keeps your meals interesting and diverse. HelloFresh's recipes are developed by professional chefs who put a lot of thought into balancing flavours and creating dishes that are both delicious and approachable. Even if you're not a seasoned cook, like me, HelloFresh makes it easy to get started with step-by-step recipe cards that guide you through the entire process. These recipe cards are detailed and include helpful images, so you can see exactly how your dish should look at every stage. Plus, HelloFresh often includes handy tips and tricks, like how to properly season a dish, or the best way to get a perfect sear on your steak. Another perk is the ability to explore new ingredients and flavours that you might not normally consider. HelloFresh brings unique ingredients into your kitchen, giving you the opportunity to experiment and expand your culinary horizons, all without the commitment of buying full-size products you may not use again. With HelloFresh, you'll feel like you're on a culinary adventure right from your own kitchen. This variety and creativity in a meal option is a big reason why you should eat HelloFresh. It turns cooking into an enjoyable experience where you can learn new skills and enjoy restaurant quality meals at home. Now, fourthly, it is perfect for busy lifestyles. If you have a busy schedule, you'll appreciate why you should eat HelloFresh for how it fits seamlessly into a fast-paced lifestyle. Whether you're a working professional, student, or a busy parent, HelloFresh takes the stress out of meal planning. The meals are designed to be quick and easy, with most taking under 30 minutes to prepare. HelloFresh also offers options for one-pot meals, which means fewer dishes to clean up afterward. A huge win for anyone with limited time. And if you're on the go, HelloFresh has got you covered with a range of meals that you can easily reheat and enjoy later. HelloFresh understands that life can get hectic, so they've created a service that provides nutritious meals without sacrificing convenience. By choosing HelloFresh, you're investing in a solution that helps you stay on track with your diet while saving you valuable time and energy. Let's go to the fifth reason. Sustainable and eco-friendly. Another great reason why you should eat HelloFresh is their commitment to sustainability. HelloFresh takes steps to minimize its environmental footprint by using recyclable packaging and reducing food waste. They are dedicated to responsible sourcing and work with suppliers who adhere to strict environmental standards. Each HelloFresh box is carefully packed to keep ingredients fresh with recyclable materials and minimal plastic. By delivering only what you need for each recipe, HelloFresh helps you cut down on food waste, a common problem in traditional grocery shopping. HelloFresh reports that their meal kits reduce food waste by up to 25% compared to supermarket bought meals. Additionally, HelloFresh is constantly working to reduce their carbon footprint through sustainable practices, making it an eco-friendly choice for conscious consumers. Eating HelloFresh is not just good for you, but it's also better for the planet. So let's move on now to the sixth reason, flexibility and customization. Flexibility is a big plus when considering why you should eat HelloFresh. Life can be unpredictable, and HelloFresh offers flexible subscription options that adapt to your needs. You can easily skip a week, pause your subscription, or change your delivery day if something comes up. Plus, with customizable meal plans, you can select recipes that suit your dietary preferences and lifestyle. HelloFresh offers plenty of options to accommodate different diets, from low-calorie and carb-smart to vegetarian and pescatarian. If you have specific dietary needs or preferences, HelloFresh makes it easy to filter through options and find meals that align with your goals. You can even upgrade your meals to include premium ingredients like organic meats or seafood. With HelloFresh, you have the freedom to enjoy your meals your way, on your terms. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you want. Next, it's cost effective. It really is a cost-effective dining solution. So let's talk about the cost, because that's another reason why you should eat HelloFresh. Many people assume that meal kits are expensive, but HelloFresh offers competitive pricing that often rivals the cost of grocery shopping. When you factor in the time saved on planning, shopping, and prepping, HelloFresh becomes a budget-friendly alternative to eating out or getting takeout. HelloFresh offers various pricing plans depending on the number of meals and servings you choose. And don't forget about the value of not having to buy whole bottles of spices or specialty ingredients you might only use once. With HelloFresh, you get exactly what you need for each recipe, which reduces waste and saves you money. Plus, HelloFresh frequently runs promotions and discounts for new subscribers, making it even more affordable to try. I tell you, if you're looking for a way to enjoy quality meals without breaking the bank, HelloFresh is a smart choice. So let's look at number 8 now on our list. Healthier eating made easy. Finally, why should you eat HelloFresh? It's because it makes healthier eating effortless. All HelloFresh meals are portion controlled, helping you avoid overeating and stay on track with your health goals. They also offer meals that are balanced and designed to provide a variety of nutrients, from lean proteins and fresh vegetables to whole grains and healthy fats. With HelloFresh, you're in control of the ingredients that go into your meals, which means you can avoid unnecessary additives and excess salt or sugar often found in pre-packaged foods. Many of the HelloFresh recipes are crafted with wholesome ingredients that support a balanced diet. Whether you're trying to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply eat healthier, HelloFresh offers plenty of options to suit your needs. It's like having a personal nutritionist helping you create well-rounded meals that taste great and nourish your body. And there you have it. Those are some compelling reasons why you should eat HelloFresh. With its convenience, quality ingredients, variety of recipes, and eco-friendly approach, HelloFresh makes mealtime easy, enjoyable, and delicious. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your life and improve your eating habits. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your meals. Also, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh yet, you can use my link down below to sign up and get a free box of meals.